Hello and welcome once again to THINKALLY. This is THINKALLY tutorial, a series we have started for quite a while now. This is tutorial 11. So I hope you have been saying it that THINKALLY is Nigeria's largest school management software with over 1 million students spread across over 1,000 schools. And I'm excited to be doing this tutorial at this particular point in time because THINKALLY has been upgraded to include hundreds of features. This very feature I want to show you here now. I want to show you how to create timetable. We have seen quite a while. We've created subjects, created teachers, added students onto the platform. Right now, I want to show you one of the biggest modules. One of the ones, the modules that really excite me. How to add timetable. I hope you see that I have been using the this particular demo school login called Galaxy School. So let me log out and show you actually how to log in case you just need the tutorial. If you're just joining the tutorial, please go back to the page and scroll to other topics of the tutorial that you may want to start with. So I log in here, Galaxy. Of course, I've been saying that you should already by now have your own THINKALLY login if you're a school, and even if you're a teacher or student or parent, your school's admin must have given you yours. If you don't have yet, please reach out to your school's admin for your own THINKALLY login details. So I log in, I'm signing in into THINKALLY, wonderful, robust system that is the best and largest school management software right now. Okay, fine. So again, as we have been doing with the case of assignment, timetable, and subject, you see that the timetable sub menu is hidden under the academic menu. You can see it, the timetable sub menu is hidden under the academic menu. Alright, so I click on timetable. I'm working as the admin. I'm not very sure if the teacher can create timetables, except it has been allowed by the admin. You can check to see. I want to quickly view maybe one. There are many classes here. There are basic classes and chases classes. Don't get it wrong. THINKALLY can be used by any arm of, even up to higher institutions, universities, polytechnics use THINKALLY, and that is the beauty of the system. Let me view a particular class timetable if we have any that has been already created. You see, this particular class, basic one, has timetables already. You can edit them, you can delete, but I'm going to show you how to create yours. So let me add timetable. Okay, so I want to add timetable. The default session is 2018-2019 for this particular session. You can change it if you wish. The admin can come here and change the default time, but it's not usually very good to tamper with that. It is set for once and for all in the session. So alright, so okay, yeah, this is the session we're working with. The class I want to create timetable for GSS1, and yeah, you see that rolling thing, it's loading, so it can load you the remaining information that is that concerns this class, like section. Now section subject, let me, only one subject has been assigned to this class. Wow, only one subject. That will be a bit of a challenge because we will not have too many classes to create for. Let me switch the class to some other class, maybe this class, and then you see the section for, see, so many subjects. I hope you understand what happened the other time. When I picked JSS1, it loaded for me only one subject. That's because it's only one subject that has been assigned to that class. The admin knows how to do that. You just go to subject or create new subjects and assign them to that particular class. Yes, so that is why I'm not using JSS1, which is a secondary class. I want to use basic 2. Okay, so section, let me start with basic science. Oh, now timetable, is like a routine. For this particular day, Monday, there are no Saturdays and Sundays because that weekend has been set as weekend in the school, in the settings. It has been set as weekend. Should I show you that? Okay, let me show you quickly how that, when a particular date has been set as weekend, you don't usually find, see, weekends, see, Sunday and Saturday. So that is why when we want to create the timetable here, when we want to create a timetable there, you just add timetable, and then you see that, okay, you see that when you want to select day, there are no weekends there. Of course, school does not open on those weekends, so I pick Monday. So for that particular day, what teacher? Pick the teacher. Timetable, what time? What's the start time? No class start by 7:45. Let the class start by 8:30 a.m. and close time. Usually periods are like 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour. Let me take 45 minutes, or say 40 minutes. 8:30 to 9:10. That's 40 minutes. 8:30 to 9:10. So you see 8:30 to 9:10. Where are we going to have that subject? In the classroom or whichever place you. So we should just type it there. It's compulsory anyway. So I add timetable. You will see immediately that it is there. But for now, only Monday has a period, and only one period for Monday. That's far from a complete timetable. Let's go ahead, add timetable. We'll add a couple of timetables this time around. Let me add the same class session, another subject, English language, for that same Monday. A teacher taking the subject. Start time this time around will be 9:10 a.m. Just start time for the second period will be end time of the first period. Well, except there's a time lapse in between, maybe break or something. It doesn't matter. Whatever you set is what THINKALLY ought to be represented on the timetable. 9:10 to 9:50, isn't that? For a 40 minutes period a.m. Okay. So again, we're in the classroom. You can set anything you like there, but it's compulsory. Okay, so 2 subjects. Let's do 2 more. That's still far from a complete timetable. I'm not going to do all. I just want to show you. Okay, that's the class, basic 2. I pick a session. I select another class right now, maybe creative arts. Okay, for which day? Still on Monday. Teacher, another teacher. Just select the appropriate teacher. Remember, this is demo. When you start using yours, make sure you plan your timetable on paper before you plan it on THINKALLY on the subject. Of course, that's the best practice. Timetable starting time should be 9:50 now. Start time here will be the end time of the previous period. Okay, 9:50 to, that will be 10. 9:50 to 10. Is that not 10:30? 10:30. 9:50 to 10:30. Okay. Yes. Where? Still in the class. I add timetable. My timetable is forming up. Whoa, great. But there's an error here. The room field cannot exist. Oh, okay. Let me just always on classroom. In the classroom. Okay. Hopefully it should go now. Yes, I'm getting there right now. Okay, I have 3 periods. Great. 8:30 a.m. to 9:10 a.m. Basic 2, Basic Science in the classroom by Mr. Kayode. Let me add one more. Let me add one more period for the day. Of course, the day should have 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe between 7 and 8 periods. I should be faster now. Section Basic 2 again. Subject. Another subject. Okay, Yoruba language. Day still on Monday. Teacher, select appropriately. Only one teacher there. Start time now should be when? The other one was 9:50 to 10:30. So now I'm gonna have 10:30 a.m. to 11:10. Great. Okay. There's an error. No error. I didn't select the location. Okay, yes, exciting, isn't it? Very easy, very easy. So 4 subjects, 4 periods already set in a day. Let me add one more. One more period for the day. Same class, same section, subject. Now could be, I have taken out the subject. That could be the subject now. Still on Monday. Teacher 11:10 a.m. to 11:50 a.m. Where? In the classroom. So now, for this particular class, for Monday has been Monday looks set, not completely set. Of course, we can't do all. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 periods. You just go ahead and continue like that. This time, let me go to Tuesday. So you look at how it forms up. On Tuesday, same class, same section. Well, another subject to begin with, but I'm not picking Tuesday now. Teacher, of course, let class begin by 8:30 as usual, 8:30 a.m. to 9:10 as we did yesterday. That is on Monday. Where? In the classroom. I add timetable again. So teacher already assigned another schedule in this time. Okay, it's telling me that this teacher already has another schedule for this time. Okay, so let me pick another teacher, or let's just select another subject. Another subject for Tuesday. Another teacher from 8:30. The other previous period was 8:30 a.m. to 9:10. So I'm gonna have 9:10 a.m. to 9:50 a.m. That should look set. Yes, great. Let me add another period for Tuesday. So it's getting set. Wow, wonderful. Tuesday, another subject, and let me select the teacher. 9:50 a.m. this time around to it will be 9:50 to 10:30 a.m. where? In the classroom. And that's, we can go on and on and on. Quite interesting, isn't it? What if we want to print this timetable? What if we want to print out this timetable? Yes, I just head on to reports. Of course, we're still going to, our tutorial is still a long way. I'll show you these reports one after the other. I'm looking for timetable report. This particular timetable. So it is student timetable. Of course, the teacher can also generate his own version, but let's generate for the student. Basic 2. Yes. Oh, let's look at it. Let's look at it. See, wonderful. Can you see it? So you have first period, second, third, fourth, fifth for Monday. Tuesday we have just 2 periods. We can continue on and on. You can download this in PDF. You see how it looks like? Yes, in PDF format. You just download that and print it out. You can download it to in Excel format. You can print it out just the way it is, send it to your printer. I hope you are seeing what I'm saying. So you see it like that, and you can decide to just send it. Okay, let me do it. Let me generate it again. Section this. Yeah, you can decide to send it as email to the parents. Oh, THINKALLY is wonderful. I'm sending it to myself. Sending it to myself. Your child's timetable. See, find attached your child's, I'm assuming I'm a parent now, timetable. And that's it. There you go. It goes to the email address of the parent. Isn't it wonderful? THINKALLY is great. We're continuing this tutorial. It's getting exciting. In the next tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to add attendance, how to mark attendance, how to view attendance, and do you know what? THINKALLY marks attendance for every user, not just students. You can mark attendance for students, you can mark for teachers, and for every other user that you have created on the system. Many thanks for joining this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I'm going to be showing you attendance, as I have said. My name is Adeniji. Thank you for joining in.